Hello everybody, Guy D'Alessio here from Guy D'Alessio Property Partners. Welcome to our newest listing at 172 Grace Avenue in beautiful East Hamilton, the Parkview neighborhood, one of Hamilton's hidden gems. And the reason I can say that is because I grew up in this neighborhood. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-story, updated, 2-bathroom home. Great turnkey opportunity for first-time home buyers or someone who just wants to get into the market for the first time and buy an investment property. It's close to everything as well. It's close to shopping, the QEW highway, the Red Hill Expressway, hiking trails along the beachfront. I can go on, but I'll let the video speak for itself. Take a look at the tour. If you like what you see, give me a call. It'll be your best move.